Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to pin a post on Facebook. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, click on your profile icon that is on the upper right side of the screen. On your profile page, scroll down until you see the post that you want to pin. On the top right side of your post, you will see 3 dots. Click on 3 dots. On the 3 dots list, you will see Pin Post. Click on Pin Post. And that's how you pin a post on Facebook. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.